We all have bad hair days occasionally. Me, maybe more than most people. Ugh, is it snowing? And every once in a while, it's cool to just change up your look. And recently, I discovered something called a messy bun extension. And I love them because they're so easy to use and change up your style so quick. And I thought it would be kind of fun to experiment with messy space bun extensions. Ooh. Ah. So I decided to try this one. And I'm going to show you what comes inside and try to do a little demo for you today. This is how they come. It looks like they give you this little colorful elastic here. They are not the same. This one is a little bit lighter with more pastel pink and blues. This one has some like brighter colors in it. And then here's how the messy bun extensions come. So let's get out of the package. These messy bun extensions have like loose tendrils coming from them. And I thought this would be kind of fun to try and see how it looks.
Hey, baby.
Now the next step I'm going to do is put these in really tight buns. I'm going to twist it so that it's tight and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Sometimes it's better to use these that are open like this so that when you're doing these buns, it can grab a lot of your hair. And we do the same thing with the other side. Alright, so that alone is, I think it's kind of cute, you know, just by itself. But I want to see how it looks with the messy bun extension. I'm a little bit nervous. Let's go ahead and place it on my little bun. And I'm going to twist it. So the color I got is wine red. It's a little bit darker than my current hair color. So I'm going to shake it out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my bun. Give it one twist to secure it. Wow. I am not sure how I feel about this right now. It feels really big on my head. These are definitely some messy buns. But you know, I'm not mad at it. I think it's kind of cute. It looks kind of anime. I mean, it's all right. Let's check out the side. It does a really good job of holding my natural hair in place without requiring too much effort. I mean, I didn't even need to use that many bobby pins or any hairspray. It comes in many different colors. I'm sure you could probably find one that will match your hair, hopefully better than mine does. So I don't know, overall, I don't hate it. Would I wear it every day? Probably not. I think with the right outfit, I can definitely rock this look. And for the price, you know, I'm glad I got it. If you're interested in this product, I will put a link in the description below.